And it was a continuation of that journey into the National Defence Academy also at Khadakwasla.
So how did you decide that you want to be a part of Indian Army, sir? Because
People from all across the spectrum coming to the forces, to the National Defence Academy also. Sports, you have physical activities, you have military discipline, parade drill and all. We see the passing out parade of the academy.
sir, you have always been involved in the matter of lives and death. So what is the toughest decision that you have taken in your career?
We had Parliament attack on the 13th of December 2001. Message
सबने
across.
वो मूवीज देखी हैं, वो चिट्ठियां लिखना कि एक छुट्टी के लिए तो घर आ जाओ। हमने बहुत देखे वो मूवी।
Exactly. लेकिन
Let's talk about your transition from army to corporate, right? Hello all. Welcome to our podcast, a podcast where we try to dive into the extraordinary minds of people who have either broken barriers, shaped industries, or those who can inspire millions. Today, we have with us Colonel Ashok Prabhakar, who has been a Black Cat commando, a seasoned military professional, and also has been involved in the induction of the equipments which was subsequently used in Operation Sindoor. So I'm sure his story will surely be a testimony of the power of both resilience and courage. So let's get started and let's get inspired. Hello, sir. Welcome to our podcast. Please introduce yourself.
thank you, Ramnik. I'm Ashok, Colonel Ashok Prabhakar. I was in the armed forces for 27 years. And thereafter, for the last 18 years, I've been with the corporate world.
Okay.
Enjoying this journey, enjoyed that journey also, enjoying this journey also.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, I have read that you have taken your training from NDA. You have been part of Army School. So, how all of this have shaped you as an individual and has shaped your leadership skills? Please tell
Okay,
us.
so it's like this. I was in the military school for 7 years.
Okay.
It was all hostel. Hostel living has its own ways of working.
Yes.
Activities, military school, activities to start in the morning, 5 o'clock, routine, morning sports, then physical activities, classes, again activities in the afternoon, various games and all, subsequent study periods, retire for the evening after dinner, and into the routine again the next day.
All
the
very
routine.
disciplined.
Yeah, disciplined. And it was a continuation of that journey into the National Defence Academy also at Khadakwasla.
Okay.
Something similar activities. So all in all, it was a disciplined life, yes. You were confined to those, you would wake up at a whistle and you ensure that you do activities as per the schedule. So when you moved into the armed forces subsequently from the National Defence Academy and Indian Military Academy, you got commissioned into the forces. Again, in the forces, you're going to be commanding troops. You're going to be in various locations. Like you mentioned, I was in the Black Cat Commander also, part of the initial team. We were involved in various activities. So that resilience, that discipline, that activities as a team, it did, have an impression on you. It did tell you that you should be performing in the right manner. You should be, as far as duty is concerned, you should be honest, integrity of the professional highest order should be there. Now, those kind of things sort of got built into you. And, when you commanded troops, you ensured that, you perform at the best. Your troops, gain from your experience. And whether in peacetime or in operations, you try to perform the very best that you could
Yes.
for the forces,
Yes.
for the organization that you're working in, and of course, for the nation as such.
Yes, sir. So, how did you decide that you want to be a part of Indian Army, sir? Because, of course, all of that you are telling is very strict, and people who are not built like that they can live in strict manner. They kind of fear. They have fear of joining army school. So, how did you decide that you want to be a part of Indian Army?
Okay, so I would say that the forces train everybody. We have people from all across the spectrum coming to the forces, to the National Defence Academy also. You have people who never worn a uniform, their parents have never worn a uniform, be it NCC uniform or otherwise. They come and join over there. In the organization, you start from a basic level.
Okay.
Everything is at an equal level. And when you pass out after 3 years of training, you find that maybe people who had come from a total civil background are almost leading the pack.
Okay.
So it's not that the opportunities are equal, everybody gets equal chance. Yes, the regimen is pretty tough. It's a continuous activity. lots of sports activities, lot of emphasis on academics. So if you're good in academics, you do catch up there also.
Okay.
And you have sports, you have physical activities, you have military discipline, parade drill and all. We see the passing out parade of the academy. So immaterial of which background are you from, I would suggest that everybody in fact must get a bit of look-see into what the forces do.
Yes.
And you realize that the discipline, the overall improvement in your personality, the persona that you get is much bigger thanks to the training that one's gone through.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I also read that you have been at Punjab battlegrounds during insurgency. So please tell us about that. What was your experience of serving Punjab?
Well, when we were in the special action group, we, in the 80s, country was passing through some tough times.
Yes.
And there were decisions to be taken, there were actions to be taken to ensure that, the state returns to normal, the northern part of our country returns to normal. And to that extent, we were involved in various activities. And it did mean it was matter of life and death, yes. We did, participate in various operations. So maybe one can't, spell out everything that one had to be performing over there. But then, yes, it did mean getting across to people who were anti-national, who were performing against the state, against the country, catching hold of them. And we were involved, I was involved in operations where we got hold of the real big fish. So, yes.
And so we are proud of you for that.
Yeah.
Sir, you have always been involved in the matter of lives and death. So what is the toughest decision that you have taken in your career?
Well, toughest decision may not be really as far as personal life or death is concerned. I would say personal decision was much later, I could even say, when I was commanding my battalion, for example. When I was commanding my unit, so as a colonel, as a full colonel, you command a unit.
Yes.
And you have those 1,000 odd personnel under your command. So there are various decisions that you take for the sake of the organization, for the sake of the country. We had Parliament attack on the 13th of December 2001.
Okay.
And we were involved in the complete mobilization of the Indian Army.
Okay.
So for a year, we went full-fledged for participating in the operations.
Okay.
For whatever reason, at the highest level, decision was taken not to go across. But if we were to be going across, we would have, surely done something there to ensure at least we would have been able to take the revenge on what happened at our parliament. So during these kind of activities, when one was commanding the unit, you are at a level where your decisions affect the lives of all those people under you.
Yes.
There was one gentleman from my troop, other rank. He, as far as the army is concerned, you're very strict as far as your being on leave and returning from leave.
Yes, yes.
You must return on time. It's not like what we see in the corporates. You just send a message across.
सबने वो मूवीज देखी हैं, वो चिट्ठियां लिखना कि एक छुट्टी के लिए तो घर आ जा. हमने बहुत देखे वो मूवीज.
Exactly. लेकिन corporate में क्या होता है कि I just somebody sent a message across.
Email.
In morning a message comes in, email comes in. Not even mail, just send a WhatsApp message in the morning.
Yes, yes.
I'm not keeping well, not coming today.
Yes.
There could be an important visit that day. There could be an important activity that day.
Yes,
For force, you have to run around and make for that.
Yes.
But armed force is very clear. Absent without leave is not permitted.
Yes.
And here was a person who had been absent for almost 78 months.
Okay.
So I told him, Adu was a very good person, a good track record. He'd been doing pretty well in the service.
Okay.
But I said, as far as, and this activity is concerned, I was not very sure. He was from a border area.
Okay.
I said, I'm not very sure what you done, what your interest was, where did you go before this, what did you do in the last 7 to 8 months. I'm not sure whether probably somebody would have contacted you. So I did do a background study. Then I took a call. I said, he should not be in the service. So decision like that.
Yeah,
when
because
you
he
take a
must
call-
have been knowing everything about what is happening in the army,
Yeah.
and then he can become a spy for other countries.
So compassion, yet discipline, both have to go hand in hand.
Empathy also. You have
So
to
while
be-
empathy part is there, I have to take care of that interest. Yes, he's got his family there.
Yes.
But then there are 999 other people watching the activities.
Yeah.
and like this one rotten fish can
Also,
affect.
country that is involved.
Yeah. So others are watching your decision, and a wrong decision gets affecting. It's going to be affecting others also.
Yes.
So I said, yeah, as far I'm concerned, sorry, this is not acceptable.
Yes.
We'll have to go home.
Okay.
So that means a court martial and such like activities have to be done.
Yeah.
So that was a tough decision
Tough
to be
decision.
sending somebody home.
Yes, yes, yes. So now that we are talking about corporate and leaves, let's talk about your transition from army to corporate, right? That you have been part of a corporate also, right, sir? So what this transformation बताइए? What all that you learned from military also did that help you in leading in corporate as well or not?
So जब मैंने पहले डिसाइड किया आर्म फोर्स से छोड़ने का, life was very comfortable. I was doing pretty well.
Okay.
Like you mentioned, my last posting was induction of some very specialist equipment. So one was wondering, should I, shouldn't I? But I was feeling that it's about time to move on. That's why I took a call. I had no clue of the civil street at all. My dad was also in the forces only.
Okay.
So I was, to that extent, it was a black wall in front of me. But yes, one was used to taking decisions, strong decisions. I said, let me take a call. And I knew one thing, one was certain of one's own capabilities, that you'll be able to find the right kind of path.
Yes.
So that's how I took a call. And as things turned out, that I got a call from an IT organization. They had their campus coming up in Noida.
Okay.
So they were looking for somebody who would be able to sort of set up the SOPs, discipline, setting up the place, the administration, the procedures as such, the facilities, security, logistics, communication.
So what was the exact position that they offered you?
So
Because there's so much
yeah,
involved.
so I was an assistant general manager that time.
Okay.
So I had to set up the complete campus. It's a 50-acre campus, and it was the first single commodity SEZ here in North India. Good 50-acre campus. So I got going over there, and I selected my team. And next 4 years, we had a whole lot of activities going over there. Pre-COVID, we had almost 25,000 employees working from that campus.
Okay, very nice. Okay.
So it was those learnings from the army that one had got. Till that time, there was no learning as far as the civil or corporate world is concerned. It's only training from the army to be, going as per the laid down procedures, setting up processes, ensuring that what you lay down is rigidly to the extent followed properly.
Yes.
Your team works with you as a team as such. The team cooperates with you. There is no while there should be cooperation, there should be no rivalry as far as the organization is concerned. The organization should not lose from that. So those are kind of team building activities that one had learned. So I tried to put all those across, and God was kind, and that yes, things did fall into place, and we have a lovely campus running over there.
Still, the campus is still running. Are you a part of that campus?
No, so I, like I was mentioning, I spent 4 years over there.
Okay.
And after 4 years, then I got a call from a similar campus getting raised elsewhere in Greater Noida.
Okay.
So I said, okay, you become sort of an expert as far as raising of new campuses were concerned.
Yes.
So okay, that skill of yours, that knowledge of yours was getting sort of used to out here, was to be used over here. I moved into there and I spent the next 8 years now in this campus. Again, raised them from scratch. Again, those processes, SOPs, ISO certifications, sustainability efforts, all those were implemented over there. That campus is also running beautifully. One is in touch with them also now.
So I can learn that everything that you learned from army or your army life was actually about that we should be disciplined, we should be working just like the layouts that we have built in, because that will obviously make you successful in life. Because कहीं ना कहीं जो हम सोचते हैं हम कर नहीं पाते हैं. So say working according to your processes and layouts actually make you successful.
हाँ बिल्कुल ठीक है. हमारे को देखो कोई भी सिस्टम चलाने के लिए
बिना सिस्टम के काम नहीं चलेगा.
प्रोसेस आपको सेट करने पड़ेंगे एंड प्रोसेस को फॉलो करना, एंश्योर करना. सो दैट्स व्हाट इट इज. इफ देयर नो प्रोसेसेस, इवन software engineer will not be able to write the codes as such.
Exactly.
Not be able to write the right kind of programs as such. So the systems could mean a different meaning for software engineer, could mean a different aspect altogether for a production engineer.
Yes.
It could mean entirely different for a security manager. Could mean differently for a facility chap.
Yes.
But then all the same, they have their processes. They have to be followed. and they have to be in the right frame, in the right manner they have to be followed.
Yes.
For example, हम बच्चों की बात करते हैं, स्कूल के लिए सिलेबस लिखा हुआ है,
बिल्कुल
आपको मैम ने और टीचर ने पढ़ा दिया वहाँ पे स्कूल के
बिल्कुल।
अंदर. देयर इज अ पर्टिकुलर कोड एज सच, यू हैव टू फॉलो द कोड. कोड फॉलो करोगे, यू विल गेट द राइट काइंड ऑफ मार्क्स. यू डोंट फॉलो द प्रोसेस, वहाँ पे नहीं आएगा.
बिल्कुल,
सो दे हैव टू गो बाय द प्रोसेस ओनली, दे हैव टू गो बाय द मैनर इन विच ट्रेनिंग कंडक्ट किया गया है.
बिल्कुल,
सो दैट्स हाउ इट शुड बी.
सबने बच्चों की बात कर ही ली है तो बहुत बच्चे इस पॉडकास्ट को सुन रहे होंगे. कुछ लेसन्स उनके लिए आप बताइए फ्रॉम योर आर्मी लाइफ. फॉर एग्जांपल दैट यू सेट अप अ कैंपस आपने बिल्ड कर लिया. अब अगर आपने एक बच्चे की लाइफ सेट करनी हो, है ना, तो उसके लिए आपके पास क्या लेसन्स हैं फ्रॉम योर आर्मी लाइफ, क्योंकि बहुत बच्चे ये पॉडकास्ट सुन रहे हैं.
तो इसके अंदर ऐसा है, पहले तो सी एवरीवेयर यू वेरी क्लियर, यू हैव टू गो थ्रू सम सॉर्ट ऑफ अ टेस्ट, रिटन टेस्ट, इंटरव्यू, सच लाइक टेस्ट होता है वहाँ पर. यू शुड बी वेरी क्लियर आपको व्हाट यू गोइंग टू बी फेसिंग. आप एक नई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जा रहे हो, आप फ्रॉम स्कूल यू ग्रेजुएट इनटू द कॉलेज, फ्रॉम कॉलेज इनटू योर फर्स्ट करियर, फ्रॉम फर्स्ट करियर टू द सेकंड करियर, व्हाटएवर जिस भी स्टेज पर आप हैं, आपको यू शुड बी वेरी क्लियर व्हाट यू गोइंग टू बी फेसिंग अक्रॉस. आप उसको तैयारी करनी पड़ेगी. उसके अंदर क्या क्या आप फेस करेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल इन द कमिंग बैक लिटिल बिट टू द आर्मी के अंदर जब सिलेक्शन होता है, एक रिटन टेस्ट होता है. उसके बाद एक सर्विसेज सिलेक्शन बोर्ड बोलते हैं.
ओके
Now, services selection board is a very peculiar test जो over 5 days होता है.
ओके
So there are 3 kinds of people who test you in that.
ओके
There's a psychologist,
ओके
there's a group testing officer,
ओके
and there's an interviewing officer.
ओके
All 3 are independent. The psychologist is looking at his psychology only. He's got various kind of tests. वो आपको वर्ड्स का ना ऑलमोस्ट एवरी 10 सेकंड आपका स्क्रीन पर वर्ड आएगा. यू हैव टू राइट अ सेंटेंस ऑन दैट.
ओके
So you will have 50, 60, 70 words coming in. You have to quickly write a sentence. They are not looking at आपकी अंग्रेजी नहीं देख रहे हैं,
तो
आपकी
स्ट्रेसफुल
लैंग्वेज नहीं देख रहे
सिचुएशंस
हैं.
में आप काम कर पाएंगे या नहीं वो देख
आप
रहे
देख
हैं.
रहे हैं कि आपका माइंड स्टडी कर रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ब्लड दिखती है यहाँ पे. नाउ ब्लड कुड मीन एनीथिंग. टू अ लेडी इज डिफरेंट, टू अ चाइल्ड इट्स डिफरेंट, टू अ सोल्जर इट्स डिफरेंट, टू अ टेररिस्ट इट्स डिफरेंट.
ओके
So he is trying to, that psychologist is trying to read that what does he mean if he say kill. A kill can mean anything. Kill could be a tiger killing a deer. It could be an officer or a soldier killing a terrorist. It could be, for example, something happened in Australia the other day. Somebody picks up arms and shoots, kills people on the street. So he is going to be reading that when we selecting, हमें right kind of material select कर रहे हैं कि नहीं है. So वो psychology,
सोच
because you're going to be
कैसी
leading
है?
hundreds and thousands of men after
क्योंकि
that.
इंसान की सोच कैसी है
सोच
ये.
कैसी है तो वो देखते हैं. उसके बाद फिर एक होता है ग्रुप टेस्टिंग वाला. ग्रुप टेस्टिंग क्या है, वो उसमें आपका वेरियस अदर स्किल्स, योर मोटर स्किल्स, योर कॉमन सेंस बेसिकली, विच इज द मोस्ट अनकॉमन थिंग.
Yes.
कॉमन सेंस है आपको, माइंड आई कोऑर्डिनेशन, योर टीम स्पिरिट एज सच.
Yes.
आपको ग्रुप ऑफ 7 to 8 मेंबर्स बनाए जाएंगे एंड वील हैव डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ऑब्स्टेकल्स टू बी क्रॉस्ड. सिंपल ऑब्स्टेकल्स, लेकिन आपको कुछ ग्रुप में करने हैं, कुछ सिंगल करने हैं, कुछ हाफ पेयर में करने हैं, 2-4 ने मिलकर करने हैं, उस तरह के होते हैं. So what we are looking at is how do you coordinate with the team? What is your communication?
Yes.
How do you work with the team?
Yes.
They also have something like for example, we have this table. They have a SAND model over here.
ओके
हम आपको बताएंगे कि वहाँ पर आप कोई जा रहे हैं, वहाँ पर एक किसी के चोट लगी है, ये there'll be some place, there's an ambulance standing there, there's a house somewhere, there's a hospital somewhere, and somebody is lying on the road,
ओके
and you happen to be going on the road.
ओके
आपने देख लिया, अब आप क्या करेंगे? टिपिकल इंडियन एटीट्यूड है,
Ignore
भाग लो
मार
यार,
देंगे.
पुलिस वाले हमें अंदर कर दी, भाग लो यहाँ से.
बिल्कुल.
But there'll be somebody, one chap who comes out,
Once.
that person, he comes in across, he takes a decision,
बिल्कुल.
he calls for the ambulance
Ambulance.
also. Maybe गाड़ी नहीं आ रही तो किसी और से लिफ्ट लेकर पहुंचाएगा, और उन्हीं दोस्त गोल्डन आवर में हो सकता है किसी की लाइफ ही बच जाए.
बिल्कुल.
So you are looking for those kind of leaders जो कुछ डिसीजन ले सके. इसी तरह एक जो नेक्स्ट होता है, एक इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर होता है. इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर इज अ वेरी सीनियर पर्सन, कर्नल, ब्रिगेडियर, जनरल लेवल के होते हैं. वो आपसे, उन्होंने जस्ट 30, 40, 50 मिनट स्पेंड करने हैं. लाइक यू गो फॉर एनी इंटरव्यू इन द सिविल स्ट्रीट ऑल्सो, कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में जाते हैं. सो दो 30, 40, 50 मिनट्स के अंदर द पर्सन हु इज इंटरव्यूइंग, he gets to know the person who is being interviewed straight away.
बिल्कुल.
It may be more technical questions only, he may be
बिल्कुल.
more interested in the technical part only.
Yes.
But as far as the armed forces is concerned, technical भी चाहिए. More than technology, it is a spark of a leader हम ढूंढ रहे हैं. Spark है कि नहीं है, वो ढूंढ रहे हैं. Now अगर इसको मैं ट्रांसपोर्ट करके टू द कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड जो आप बता रहे थे, वहाँ पे बच्चे अगर आने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, सो दे हैव टू बी वेरी क्लियर, मेरे को किस चीज़ को फेस करना है, मेरे को क्या करना है. अगर मैं सॉफ्टवेयर में जा रहा हूँ तो डू हैव द इंक्लिनेशन, कहीं ऐसे भी मेरे पेरेंट्स मेरे को कुछ फोर्स कर रहे हैं, 3 Idiots हम सबको याद है.
बिल्कुल.
So finally his interest was in
Wildlife
photograph only.
photography.
Finally went over there. So
बिल्कुल.
अगर मेरा interest कहाँ lie कर रहा है, so be it students, be it parents,
बिल्कुल.
they have to be seeing if I'm going to be forcing somebody onto a field which is not of interest नहीं होगा. तो हमारे को बच्चे को अपना भी जानना चाहिए कि मेरा interest area कहाँ पर है, और पेरेंट्स को भी करना चाहिए. उसी हिसाब से अगर प्रिपेयर करो, आई थिंक इट्स अ विन विन सिचुएशन आफ्टर दैट.
बिल्कुल 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 सर, वेरी नाइस सर. सर मुझे ना, अब हम डिसिप्लिन की बात कर रहे हैं, लेआउट्स की बात कर ली, बच्चों के करियर की भी बात कर ली. सर जब आपने बात करी थी अपने कैंपस सेटअप के बारे में, तो आपने सस्टेनेबिलिटी का जिक्र किया था, दैट यू ensure that sustainability was also taken care of while building the setup of the campus. So जो आपकी आज की करंट सिचुएशन है कि भैया हमारे जो AQI लेवल्स हैं वो इतने इंक्रीज़ हो चुके हैं, हमारे एयर पोल्यूशन लेवल्स इतने इंक्रीज़ हो चुके हैं. सो इसका क्या मतलब हुआ, जो हमारी कंट्री है वो कहीं ना कहीं डेवलपमेंट को ज़्यादा फोकस दे रही है ओवर सस्टेनेबिलिटी, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं बहुत बुरा हाल है. एंड ऑल्सो ये भी देखा जा रहा है कि जो गवर्नमेंट है वो भी कहीं ना कहीं इस चीज़ पे फोकस कम दे रही है और एक्सक्यूजेस ढूंढ रही है कि पहली पार्टी थी उसके टाइम पे भी तो इतना था, हम पे तुमने सारा दोष डाला है.
See, well, industrialization has its pros and cons.
Yes.
Industrialization हो रहा है, you're felling trees, you making space for humans to live. We are rising. We are almost 800 crores in the world. The populations are rising. So perforce, more and more accommodations required, more and more jobs are required. That's coming in. But at the same time, it does not mean it doesn't mean that we should be stopping here. Efforts हमें करते रहना चाहिए. जिस कैंपस में हम थे वहाँ पर, it's a total LEED certified, platinum certified green campus. So the topmost rating as far as campus is concerned. I'm myself an ISO certified lead auditor. मैंने भी किया था वहाँ sustainability के ऊपर. तो हमने वहाँ पे काफ़ी efforts किए थे. It was a zero waste activity. अब हम खुद के, see, it starts at home. मैं पॉलीथीन बंद कर दिया कि मैंने, I'm not doing that. Am I when I go to the market, I don't carry a bag with small little things. अगर मैं एक डिसीजन लूँ कि मैं आज पॉलीथीन यूज नहीं करूँगा कम वॉट में, तो how things get stopped over there. तो हमारा, why should we go to the government? It starts with me. I should be making some steps. I should be doing whatever little I can, be it simple things like that. If I can walk a short distance of 500 meters, 400 meters, why should I take a car? Those kind of things. So those things, small steps, little drops of ocean and little drops of water make the mighty ocean, little grains of sand. So make the complete earth as such. So those small steps, I suppose we should be taking. Sustainability is by whom? हम सब ने किया है. Animal kingdom नहीं करता है, हम लोग करते हैं. हमारे को effort करने की ज़रूरत है. Yes, things are happening, AQI is rising, understandable. But then maybe I think we should also do a little bit in our own small little ways. What are small ways? Yes. I can think of it. If nothing else, at least have plants inside the house. Plants around you wherever you can. Plant a tree in the year. We have been ensuring that every year at least 30, 40, 50 plants, saplings do plant ki jaye where they can be planted. I'm with the Art of Living also.
Very nice.
With the Art of Living Foundation, we do a lot of activities towards that also. So every year in the month of July and August, we do plant. We did this year also. Part of our organization all get together. So those activities must continue. तभी हमारा पूरा Mother Earth का look after हो पाएगा.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सर.
And talking of that, in fact, this is a good career for the students also. They should be taking up. आप open में रहेंगे, wide opens में रहेंगे, you'll show in open places. At the same time, you'll doing a little bit for the sustainability, for the nature as such.
बिल्कुल सर. So while we look at organizations or a student life, adaptability is very important. You need to adapt with the new situations and a new environment that you are in. So अगर हम कहें about Indian Army or the military life, तो वहाँ पे भी adaptability की need थी. Also adaptability के साथ साथ strategic planning की तो बहुत ज़रूरत होती है. So how do you worked your strategic planning and your adaptability in your army life?
So there are two things. Firstly, talking about adaptability. So adaptability is naturally in the forces much more.
Yes.
You could be in a peace station just now. Another 6 months down the line, you could be getting posted to an operation area. India's got all kinds of terrain, from the highest altitudes in a glacier in Siachen to high mountains to deserts to jungles in the Far East to the plains to the coastal regions. Our troops have to adapt. He could be from the south and getting posted to Siachen Glacier. He could be a Sikh gentleman and being in the rainforest, jump, you're always feeling wetty in the hair also. You could be from the deserts of Rajasthan and in deep jungles where it's always raining and highest of mountains. So you have to adapt accordingly. और लेकिन वही अडेप्टेबिलिटी आपको स्ट्रांग भी बनाती है. वही अडेप्टेबिलिटी है जिसके बेस पे मैं बाहर आने का डिसीजन ले सकता था. आई न्यू आई कुड अडेप्ट. दैट बिट ऑफ फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, that bit of adaptability,
बिल्कुल
that bit
sir.
of coordination with the environment, changing with the environment, that was required. When I came, like I mentioned, because initially कुछ idea नहीं था. But I knew, I said I should be able to work out my activities according to the requirement. And since you had that faith and trust in yourself, you could do it. बच्चों के लिए भी मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि आपने एक डिसीजन लिया है. आप it happens in the corporate world also. You spend 2 years, 3 years, you want to go across.
Yes.
The organizations work it differently. अब organization के पास में 4 centers हैं. They say कि okay, you want to leave, you are a good resource. No, I can't do without you. Ramlik, you must stay with me. So they'll give you, the HR will give you a choice. Why don't you try this thing? You go to this office. This is close to your place also. I'll give you a boost as far as the salaries are concerned.
They'll lure you with benefits.
Yeah. So they want you to adapt to a different environment while you want to be working in a different place, different environment. So those kind of adaptability तो होती रहती है आपको. You have to keep adapting yourself. बच्चों के लिए मैं बताना चाहूँगा, स्कूल से कॉलेज में आए थे, डिफरेंट एनवायरनमेंट मिला था. फौज के बच्चों के अलग होता है. 2 साल के अंदर पोस्टिंग आ जाती है, हर बार नए बच्चों के साथ में दोस्ती बनानी पड़ती है. एक डिफरेंट अडेप्टेबिलिटी होती है हर बारी. हमारे बेटे को ऑपरेशन ऑफ विजय जब 99 में कारगिल लड़ाई हुई थी तो हमारा बहुत मूवमेंट हुआ था. वी वर अंडर पोस्टिंग. माय सन हैड टू मूव 4 schools in the matter of 4 months, literally. So someday I'll explain to you कैसे 4 months के अंदर 4 school change करने पड़ गए थे. तो ऐसे हो जाता है because you keep moving. And so that is one part. Now talking of the other part which you mentioned, strategic thinking,
Yes.
strategic planning. So strategy is as far as armed forces is concerned, it's a very major part. When talking of strategic, it could be at the highest level the government is taking. Should we do action like this? When I was speaking about the Indian Army deployment in the year 2002, so it was a strategic decision of the Prime Minister at the highest level that whether we should go for war or not. Our strategic decision was taken recently during Operation Sindoor when our tourists were fired at. We lost 26 unarmed people there in J&K. That's the time a decision was taken that we must go across and hit them hard. सो स्ट्रेटेजिक डिसीजन उस हिसाब से अलग अलग चेंज होते रहते हैं. एक कॉर्पोरेट के अंदर स्ट्रेटेजिक डिसीजन दूसरे तरीके से होता है कि शुड वी हैव अनदर ऑफिस कमिंग अप. वी हैव अ वेरी गुड ऑफिस गोइंग ऑन इन द NCR. वी आर डूइंग प्रीटी वेल. शुड वी हैव आवर ऑफिसेज अक्रॉस इन द साउथ? Should we have a multiple offices in the west also? So those strategic decisions come at that level. But as far as बच्चे जो देख रहे हैं इनके लेवल पे मे बी मोर ऑपरेशनल डिसीजन, टेक्निकल डिसीजन हो सकता है कि मेरे को ये जॉब छोड़ के इसमें आ सकूं, ये फील्ड छोड़ के शुड आई मैं फाइंडिंग मैथ्स डिफिकल्ट, शुड आई चेंज टू आर्ट्स? I did have science in the 12th standard, but was I comfortable? Should I switch to commerce? Should I change from there? I was thinking I'll become a CA, but probably I think मेरा उसमें potential नहीं है, या मेरा potential so and so में है. Should I switch? So those are kind of decisions that you have to take. वो decision लेने के लिए कई चीज़ें सोचनी पड़ेंगी. आपको अपना पोटेंशियल देखना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू बी महात्मा गांधी कहते थे नो दाई सेल्फ. स्वयं को जानना बहुत जरूरी है. आपको अपने पास में आप जानेंगे तो उसके बाद देन यू कैन. फॉर दैट यू नीड दैट बिट ऑफ करेज ऑल्सो. एक इनर स्ट्रेंथ भी चाहिए कि शुड करेज इज नॉट कि वो शेर के सामने होना करेज है. करेज मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि चींटियों की जो लाइन जा रही है उसके अंदर करेज है. दैट यू डोंट रिक्वायर द रोर ऑफ अ टाइगर टू शो करेज. दैट इज ऑल्सो शोइंग करेज. करेज इज दिस ऑल्सो टू बी एबल टू टेक अप अ जॉब येट फाइंडिंग दैट maybe I'm not suitable for that. And you take a decision altogether different. So उस हिसाब से आपको you should be ready to perform the very best इस environment के अंदर हो. Yet changes are required. You have to be keep moving also in the world as such, and you should be able to adapt yet keep moving along.
Yes, हम अपने पॉडकास्ट में भी स्टूडेंट्स को देते हैं लर्निंग कि दे नीड टू इंट्रोस्पेक्ट कि उनको क्या पसंद है, देन दे शुड ट्राई internship opportunities in the same field that they want to do job in. इंट्रोस्पेक्ट कर लेंगे ना, उस वक्त में इंटर्नशिप कर लेंगे, वो समझ में आ जाएगा इज दैट द फील्ड राइट फॉर देम और नॉट. उनका मन लग भी रहा है उस फील्ड में या नहीं,
Like, yeah,
है ना। और आपने करेज की बात की, करेज भी यही है
yeah.
कि दे हैव टू चेक देयर, अगर वो फेलियर हो भी गया, दे हैव टू एक्सेप्ट दैट एंड मूव ऑन, कि अगर हो भी गई गलती कोई बात नहीं, फील्ड स्विच कर भी रहे तो क्या हुआ,
Correct.
है ना। क्योंकि बिकॉज वी बिलीव एज दिस पॉडकास्ट कि जो हमारा करियर है वो हमारी जर्नी है, एक जर्नी है, डेस्टिनेशन नहीं है।
Perfect.
तो थैंक यू सर, आपने
So
बहुत
for-
अच्छा कहा।
like they say, if you make your passion as your profession,
यस,
is ultimate. So
बिल्कुल।
then you're going to be enjoying the journey.
ऑफ कोर्स,
अगर वो पैशन आपका नहीं था, आप जबरदस्ती उसमें पुश कर दिए,
बिल्कुल, पेरेंट्स
then
की
you may
थ्रू
not be comfortable.
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल सर। आपने बताया कि ऑफ कोर्स आपने स्ट्रैटेजिक प्लानिंग के बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स दिए, ऑपरेशन सिंदूर की, हम अटैक करें या ना करें। एनी स्ट्रैटेजिक प्लानिंग दैट यू आर प्राउड ऑफ, कि आप बताते हो कि मैंने उस टाइम पे जो डिसीजन लिया, जो मैंने प्लानिंग करी, आज भी लोग इसे कहानियां सुनाते हैं, सो आप दैट यू आर प्राउड ऑफ कि आप उस टाइम पे जो आपने प्लानिंग करी थी वो बहुत अच्छी करी थी।
Well, I can say that some of the equipment which has come into service, जैसे हर एक अभी एक राइफल भी अगर आप इंडक्ट करते हो,
यस,
आप एक लैपटॉप कंपनी में लेके आते हो,
बिल्कुल,
एक नया कोई इक्विपमेंट अपने यूनिट में अपने ऑफिस में लेके आते हो, यू नो विच इज़ इन द सॉर्ट ऑफ अभी उसके अंदर अभी काम हो रहा है, पूरा
Development
बना
हो
नहीं है,
रही है,
डेवलपमेंट
हाँ।
स्टेज में चल रहा है, उसके अंदर अलग चैलेंजेस होते हैं. So there was a system which was in the development stage, and we had taken a decision for trying that out. It was not working out, and to that extent there were pressures that we should not really induct it.
ओके,
But as a project manager, one could sort of request and advise and put across to my seniors that we should be giving this system another chance.
ओके,
I can't really name the system, but people who had been with me understand what I'm talking about. As a result, so another chance was given to the people who were working on it, and that system has been performing beautifully in service now.
Wow,
And
sir.
those friend of mine who were working on it, those scientists, they say that that was a decision that you taken at the right time, and that helped us a lot. And the past, we understand that what happened thanks to that decision being taken at that time, moment.
वेरी 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 नाइस सर। सर आपके साथ तो मैं भी पॉपुलर हो जाऊंगी इस पॉडकास्ट पे आके। सर अब लास्ट मैसेज देते हैं उस यूथ को, जैसे आपने एक एग्जांपल दिया था, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल एग्जांपल था कि अगर एक इंसान को कुछ एक्सीडेंट हो गया था, आई थिंक ओनली 100 विल कम एंड सेव दैट पर्सन एंड कॉल द एम्बुलेंस, बाकी सब तो इग्नोर करके चले जाएंगे कि पुलिस का मैटर है। सो ऐसे यूथ के लिए अगर आप एक मैसेज देना चाहो दैट इट इज़ अ वेरी प्राउड थिंग टू सर्व द कंट्री, because I think there will be very few who will be planning to join the military or and serving the country. उनके लिए कुछ एक inspirational एक तो message हो जाए कि why it is important to serve the country in any manner, in like helping your neighborhood, कि आप किसी अपने पड़ोसन की मदद कर लें या कंट्री को सर्व कर लें, किसी जिसका भी जो मन हो उसके एक मैसेज सर।
So as far as young are concerned, see, one must go with the sense of seva भाव के साथ बोलते हैं, service to the nation, service to the society, service to the fraternity as such. Your own comfort will be taken care of. Like in the Indian Military Academy, we have the credo, the IMA credo is the safety, honor and welfare of the country comes first, always and every time. The honor, welfare and comfort of the men you command comes next. Your own ease, comfort and safety come last, always and every time. So the country comes first, the man that you're commanding comes next. Your own is going to be taken care of.
Yes.
The powers that be, they'll take care of you. You have to ensure that आप सेवा भाव के साथ में जाओगे तो कर्मा की जो थ्योरी है, कर्मा will come back to you.
Yes.
आपको मिलेगा. आप अपने आप गीता also says that कर्म करे जा, फल की इच्छा मत कर.
बिल्कुल।
आप कर्म करते जाओ बच्चों. You keep working for it. Be it if you want to come to the forces, most welcome. We don't need Tarzans. We don't need वहाँ पे सारे boxes नहीं चाहिए हमारे को. We want everybody. We have the best of minds also. We need academicians also. We need physically fit also. But we need a bit of everything. You'll not find the 99%, 98% people coming here. The word is controlled by people who come from 50 to 80%.
Yes.
जो 50 से 80% के बीच में लेके आते हैं, पर वर्ड को वो चलाते हैं. जो 90-95% है तो वो लैब में जाके प्रॉब्ली कहीं पे काम कर रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल,
बट द वर्ड इज रन बाय ऑल अक्रॉस ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ पीपल. इन द फोर्सेस हमें क्या चाहिए? वी वांट somebody who's a bit of everything. We should be physically fit also. You should be having some leadership quality also, play a bit of activity also, physically also, mentally also. You have the right kind of common sense. Your systems are intact. You're physically fit. Those kind of extracurricular में आप participate करते हो. You come onto the stage. You're able to convey to your men. आप बात कर सकते हो. अगर उस तरह के well rounded आप बनाओगे, फौज आपको बना देगी. We just looking for the little spark in the person. Rest the system will make you.
बिल्कुल
That's
sir.
what it is.
Thank you, sir. It was a pleasure having you. I hope that the podcast was both insightful and informative for you all. मेरे लिए तो बहुत अच्छा था. मुझे आज सीखने को मिला कि कैसे जो आर्मी लाइफ होती है वो आपके डेडिकेशन को, रिजिलियंस को, विजन को कितना इम्प्रूव करती है. आई थिंक ये पॉडकास्ट ने कहीं ना कहीं आपको अपनी कंट्री को सर्व करने के लिए इंस्पायर किया होगा, चाहे वो किसी भी फॉर्म में हो, चाहे वो एक इंसान को अपने नेबरहुड में हेल्प करने के लिए हो या उस बैटल फील्ड पे जाके अपनी कंट्री को सर्व करने के लिए हो. थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग टू द पॉडकास्ट. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. थैंक यू सो मच.